What's in the box? What's in the box? Hey there friends on YouTube, my name's Jason, sometimes known as the JTL. This is Painfully Honest Tech, tech so honest it hurts. And in today's video, we're gonna look at something kind of cool, a little late to the party, but some folks over at gearbest.com reached out to me and said, hey, would you like to review some stuff? We got all kinds of stuff, and I saw that they had the OnePlus 5T, and I thought, I want to review that. So I asked them if they would send it to me, and they did. So now I have in this box the OnePlus 5T, and I'm going to rip the packaging and drink my coffee. See if I can get this thing open. How do you open? Aha. So get the packaging stuff going. Here it is, the OnePlus 5T in a white box. So what do we got here? OnePlus 5T. Oh, I need an implement of destruction. All right, I've got my really crappy tiny multi-tool that I was given for my 5-year anniversary at my job. It broke the day that I got it. You know, it's the thought that counts, right? Right? Anyway, let's go ahead and cut these seals. Seals cut. Always fold your knife back into its little place that it goes. So now we're just gonna go ahead and open this bad boy up. Oh my! The red is quite striking. It's very nice, this red. I am impressed with the red. It's got a nice little tab here. You just grab it. Oh, it's kind of stuck in there. Nice. And here we have the phone. I have never in my life, because I live in Iowa, never in my life seen a OnePlus phone in real life, in the flesh, as it were. But now here I am. It's got a sticker on here, talks about the NFC. I will have links down in the description below so you can go check these guys out. So let's peel this guy. All right, peeled. Didn't make any fun crinkly sounds. So it's got this sticker on here. I'll take that off later. Let's set the phone to the side and lift up and see what we got in here. So inside of here we've got this plastic that's like super form-fitting to the phone. This is kind of impressive. Look at that. Just stays in there. Huh. Never seen that before. I like it though. I like it. Now, we've got, what do we have in this box? This is a nice, we have a SIM tool, we have a quick start guide. We have another box with some more stuff in it. OnePlus stickers, never settle. And this is in Chinese. Okay, put that over there. Quick start guide here, stickers here, and this guy. I'm honestly pretty impressed with what we're seeing here from the OnePlus 5T. In the box is also a case. It's a jelly case. Not super like rugged or anything, but it will in fact protect the phone, I'm sure. Let's see how it fits. And I've seen online that OnePlus makes several different kinds of cases for their phones. That's pretty good actually. It's nice and thin. It doesn't add to the bulk of the phone at all. So there we have the OnePlus 5T in its little case that comes with it. But like I said, they make several other cases. I think they're about 25 bucks a piece, and then they have a rugged case that's a little bit more. So totally worth checking it out there. Finally, what's left in the box is this very reddish orange, what would you call this, a tomato color? Tomato colored cable. All this red is sort of tomato colored with with these nifty little pins holding it together. Pull it out. It's not the longest cable in the world, but the magic of this cable is, I guess, this thing. This is the dash charger, and it can, according to everything that I've seen, it can charge this phone super duper fast. Like, I think something like 100% charge from 0 in an hour and 15 minutes, 80% charge in an hour. It's pretty impressive. It's also one hell of a honkin'. Yeah, this won't be convenient to stick in your wall sockets, but I guess that's the price you pay for super fast charging. Let's go ahead and boot the phone up. How do we do that? Oh, press this button. This also comes with a film screen protector already on it. Now, I don't know if I'm going to keep that on there or not, but it's not super visible, at least when the phone's off. So let's go watch this thing boot up. Everybody's got their own little boot up sequence. That's so fun to watch. Okay, I think Roboto is what we usually get with Android. And here's the OnePlus font. I'll go with that. So it has an interesting haptic feedback where it's more of an old school vibrator, more of an old school vibration than other phones. It's sort of got that little as opposed to the more haptic tick 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 tick. Those are the technical terms for discussing how this thing works. Auto face unlock. Yeah, I'm gonna allow it. Next. So here, let's see if I can get it on the camera above. I do not want to join the user experience program. Here we are at the home screen. They've got their own little date widget here. This looks very much like stock Android. It's got OnePlus launcher stuff, never settle, blah de blah. So this is not Google Now. It is something else. It is OnePlus's own proprietary deal. First glance, I mean, I had so many people, as I was reviewing other phones, so many people were asking me to check out this phone. And I'm going to put it through its paces. First thing I'll do is probably take off this sticker. I'm going to put it through its paces, use it for a week or so, and then I'll come back and let you guys know what I think of the OnePlus 5T once I have used it a little bit. This is exciting for me. As I said, never used a OnePlus device before, so very cool. Thank you so much for sending it to me, folks at GearBest. Hey, if this is your first time here and you want to see what happens when I get to use this phone, then maybe you want to subscribe to the channel, or you maybe, you know, if you enjoyed this video, or you just want to give some props to a guy, you know, working hard on the YouTube, you can like this video, because all that stuff helps, and I would really appreciate it. Thanks so much for being here. My name's Jason, sometimes known as the JTL. This is Painfully Honest Tech. Tech so honest, it hurts! Until the next time, I'm out.